Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
For tracks, obviously. On the lot.
He became Steelwrist.
Alright guys, this is me using Stewie's machine from Bare Earth Solutions. I'm here at DDT, so Stewie's letting me have a bit of a go. This is the first time ever I've used a Steelwrist. Actually, first time ever using a tilt rotator. So I'm at the Steelwrist stand. I'm in Stewie's machine here with a leveling blade on there. So let's have a go, man. Let's see. He gave me a bit of a rough idea on what it does. So this is the rotating button here. So this will rotate it. Apparently this bit on the joystick will open the, the little nippers, look at this. Can you see that? The little grippers, nippers, whatever you want to call these. How cool is that? So you can pick up stuff, and then one of these, I imagine, is a tilt. There we go. Wait, how do I tilt that the other way? Hang on a minute, what have I done here? Now I've caused confusion here. I have no idea what I'm doing here, people. There we go. Too many buttons on this thing, bloody hell. Anyway, so yeah, if I was to attempt to pick something up, oh yeah, tilt it, grip it, and there you go. Now let's see if I can use this leveling bar. Actually, I've never even used one of these leveling bars, so this will be interesting. I'm learning like everything at once here. So I imagine with a bit of time, you could get used to these. Let's see here. Hey, this is not bad. Not bad. And now if I rotate this the other way, I should be able to, I imagine, I should be able to push all this back. Oh, you know what? That wasn't what I meant to do, but there you go. What do you reckon? Where's Stewie? I'll tell you what, no idea what's going on. Anyway, I'm making a fool of myself here. But there you go, guys. There's a bit of a demo of a Steelwrist in action. So this is a Steelwrist Tilt Rotator. I'm not sure what model it is. I'll have to find out. But yeah, you can tilt basically 45 there, 45 here. There you go. You can rotate it all the way around. And I can use these little grippers to pick up stuff. So if I want to pick something up, oh, wrong button. Ah, yeah, I can pick things up as well. How cool is that? Alright. Well, I think I better not use this machine too much. One thing you got to remember is that Bare Earth Solutions is a sponsor of Earthworks Hub. So you can see he's got the little Earthworks Hub sticker on the end of the dipper arm there. So thank you to Stewie. thank you very much to Stewie from Bear Earth Solutions for allowing me to sit in his extremely clean Caterpillar machine, and thank you to Steelwrist for letting me have a bit of a demo at their stand here at Diesel Dirt and Turf.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, yeah.
For tracks, obviously. On the lot.
he became Steelwrist.